Hello, and welcome to
Two minutes Wednesday.
2 minutes Wednesday.
Let me know what you think about the new jingle for 2 Minutes Wednesday. Is it too long, too short, too annoying? Let me know in the comments below. When I'm on the road and I want to edit some images, I have this tablet with me and I have the latest version of Lightroom for iPad. And it was frustrating for me because you know, when you open the image and you go through the sliders and you want to slide exposure, contrast, highlights, and so on, it's always very hard to pinpoint the value, the correct value that you want to adjust. So what I've noticed is you can do, you know, values from here. It's either you click on the value itself, or you click on this handle and you just drag it. But you can see how fast the values are growing, or and it's not that accurate. So in order to make this more accurate, what I've noticed is if you click on the handle, hold, and drag down, you can see that handle becomes smaller. So now if you go left or right, even if I move very fast with my pen, you can see that the actual values go very slow. And this is really nice, really nice. And this works for everything. Let's say texture, hold, drag, and you can see that you can have a better control over the values. Sharpening as well. And to be honest, this trick was life-saving for me. I didn't know it. Probably you're gonna shout at your screens like, "Oh my god, this is so basic, how didn't you know?" Well, I didn't use that much Lightroom for iPad. I hope you enjoyed this tip on how to edit with more accuracy your images in Lightroom for iPad. See you next week. Take care.